We wasted a lot of time traveling, so couldn't see much of Missouri while on our way back. नहीं, on our way back.
क्या बोला?
While on our way back.
ठीक ही है.
नहीं फिर से.
ठीक है.
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is the third and last episode of the Dehradun series. Hope you have been following me in my previous videos as well. It was a total mistake to go up the hills as far as Dhanolti, as it's an adventure sports hill station. It is also an ideal camping destination as a weekend getaway. We fell in neither category. Nevertheless, we loved the ride up to it. And though the view was not as beautiful as Sikkim, the scenery was a break from the city side. We wasted a lot of time traveling, so couldn't see much of Missouri on our way back. Do watch till the end to see how we finally got a better alternative in New Delhi station the next day, which we mentioned about in our Delhi Agra series earlier. Dhanolti is a small hill station situated in the foothills of the Garhwal Himalayan range at an elevation of 2,286 meters above sea level. It is located 40 kilometers from Dehradun. Set amidst thick virgin forests of deodars, oaks and rhododendrons, Dhanolti also offers breathtaking view of the Himalayan peak. It is also the base point for numerous treks into the snow-capped Himalayas. From Dhanolti, we went to Missouri, and although according to Google, it takes around 4 hours, I think our driver took us via some shortcut as it didn't take so long for us. There are two eco parks, Amber and Dhara, and we visited Amber. It has been developed by the Forest Department of Uttarakhand with the help of local youth. There is a small entry fee nowadays, but when we visited in 2014 it was free. So here we have VT having a favorite breakfast of puri sabzi in the hotel before we finally left at around 11:30 am. Soon we were climbing up the hills. I noticed these hills did not have steep sides as in Darjeeling and Sikkim, and the roads were broad and well maintained. It was a long journey. After a 2-hour ride, the vegetation changed to pine trees. Then some scattered snow on the road made us curious, and upon inquiry, the driver said that we were 7 hours 38 minutes to Himachal Pradesh and only 4 hours to Kedarnath in the Himalayas. We finally reached Amber Eco Park in Dhanolti, and what greeted us at the entrance was a flight of mossy, slippery, big steps leading up to it. Mom was very scared of Papa falling down on it with me in his arms, so she kept guard until we both went inside on firm ground, which is why no pics of the steps. But here is a pic from Google of the recent renovated, decent looking stairs as of now. And the best part, it's still not wheelchair accessible in 2020. VT ran to the swings as soon as she saw them, and seems she was the only kid around. I preferred to sit on a bench near the entrance as Papa looked around if I could be shown anything interesting. There was nothing except forest trees with their scientific names labeled on them, and there was a walking trail, but it had small steps. We took photos and then VT started shivering in the cold. So we went back into the warmth of our car and started on our way back. VT got to eat her favorite, Maggie. Mom had been fascinated by these flowers all along the way, and she got a bunch for herself. They are called branch flowers, our driver informed us. We stopped for some chai, and Papa informed it was very tasty, made from yak milk. The driver informed us that the famous Kempty Falls of Missouri were on the way. We had to leave our vehicle a few meters away from the fall. There was a crowd and we wondered what they were looking at down. We saw a cable car ropeway but couldn't make out its beginning or destination. We continued on our way towards a small waterfall and wondered why was this small fall so overhyped. After all, falls were what we saw in Sikkim. Remember the tall Bhuma Falls in our Dachung episode? While making this video, we found that what we saw was only the beginning part of the Kempty Falls. We were supposed to take the cable car from where people were standing right down to where the falls actually fell, and there was a small pool where people could enjoy in. There is also a long stairway down to it through a flea market. And no, both paths are not wheelchair accessible. If you have any recent further information, please let us know in the comments. Guess what I bought? So now we move towards Mussoorie. Again we had to leave our vehicle in the parking. It was a steep walk up the slope to Mall Road, Mussoorie. Then we roamed on Mall Road for some time, aimlessly. Now my turn. Let's see what's so interesting. View of the beautiful valley. Now we were very hungry and Papa spotted this small eatery selling North and South Indian vegetarian food. Just look at this kid having gelato when she was shivering just an hour ago. It was late in the evening when we returned to our hotel in Dehradun. Next day, it was time to say bye-bye to Uttarakhand. By 7:30 am, we were on our way to New Delhi station via road which was about 251 kilometers and takes 5 hours via the shortest route. Now comes the most interesting and you could say exciting part for me, as is evident in the video. Mom called up the mobile number she had taken down from the battery car driver in our last trip to Delhi. The guy on the other end informed her that that person had changed and this particular person would be doing the needful. He asked us where we were waiting for him and promptly landed near the entrance which has a ramp where we were waiting with our luggages. He was a very sweet guy, handled me and my wheelchair with utmost care, and Mom and Viti got a free ride as well. We were joined by Papa and the coolie with our luggages soon. That was a perfect ending to this beautiful trip.
हाँ, हमें बहुत डर लग रहा था क्योंकि हम देहरादून से आए सुबह से, तो हमें लगा कि छूट जाए, नहीं कुछ जल्दी ही आ गया. Traveling to New Delhi railway station, being very happy for the first time because this is the only way to get around.
Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for our next trip to Puri and Bhubaneswar in 2015, which was full of fun with my cousin brother, but I had an accident too. Stay tuned. If you liked this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more amazing videos coming up. You can also follow me on Instagram at @Wheelchair Travels with Vineet. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Peace.